Welcome back everybody to this week's video. We have a piece of cherry on the lathe. We are going to make an emerging vase with it, and it came with a little bit of a challenge which you will see a little bit later on in the video. But right now we are going to use the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we're going to start by flattening off the bottom. We've now switched to the mid-size rougher. And now the mid-size detailer. And now we're just making the tenons so it fits in the angles of the chuck. And now we're just going to clean it up. Here we go. I take the rest off with a handsaw, and now we've got it into the chuck. And now we're going to start by taking it to shape. The first tool once again is the mid-size finisher. And onto the rougher. Back to the finisher. And there's the rougher again. And here is the number one hollower to give the vase its shape. And here is the detailer to add, well, details. Alright, so now we're going to add some burn lines in with the old Jacobson Signature Series wire burner from Easy Wood Tools. And there you go, there's the issue. It had a little bit of a bug infestation. So we're going to fill it with some CA glue from 03A. Stabilizer and some aluminium powder. So this is the thin. Just go back and forth with the powder and some CA until that hole is filled. Puff of activator there, more CA, and another puff of activator. Alright, so now we're going to take off all of that mess, really. So this is the micro hollowers from Easy Wood Tools, and it has a negative rate cutter on the end of it. Alright, there you go. As you can see, there's a few more voids there, but unfortunately I was out of aluminium powder, so we're going to fill them voids with some black CA from 03A. Bit of a contrast between black and aluminium. I thought it might look quite nice. There we go. So I'd cleaned up all of that mess, and now we're going to get to doing some sanding. It started off with the drill. And doing some hand sanding with the drill now. With the lathe stationary. Bit of a methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain. Alright, so now we're going to drill to depth with a Forstner bit.
Remember that song we used to sing in the rain? My God, the ice cream we used to consume. Somehow we lost it all when we left that room.
There we go.
Maybe we should have seen that we were both betrayed.
Bit of compressed air and some slow-mo action.
What if we could set fire to those vows we made and let them burn up? You and I could make it work now. If you and I
Just gonna clean that rim up there with the number 1 hollower. And some Danish oil from Hampshire sheen. Here are some pictures. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. If you'd like to see any more of my videos, click the many links on the right hand side. And until next week, bye bye for now.